How do you complete a drive cycle for emissions? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together, and I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, the truth is you click your heels together 3 times and you say there's no place like home, there's no place like home, because that's a $1 million question. How do you complete the drive cycle? Because it's very tough. So here's a couple of factors that will be helpful. Number 1 is usually you have to do at least a couple of cycles. So you do a drive cycle, you let the car sit overnight, you do another cycle. After the car sat overnight, before you drive, start the car, let it idle for 5 minutes before you drive. Because some cars, that's one of the monitors. The other thing is, drive the car for as long a periods at a steady speed and steady throttle position, over 50 miles an hour, for as long as possible. Do that multiple times, and then also do a few decelerations without touching the brake for as long as possible. That's the best advice I can give. Every car is different, and every scenario can be more and more challenging. But most of the time, that's going to get most of the cars set up to go through emissions. And by the way, if you want to know if yours is ready, stop by Mercie J. No charge. Takes us 5 minutes to see if you're ready to go through or not. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.